Hello, friends. Welcome to Inglogo.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Today, we're talking about morning habits.
That sounds interesting.
Paul, can I ask you something?
Of course, Emily. What's up?
Why do so many people start learning English with excitement, but quit after a few weeks?
That's a great question. I think most people try to do too much, too fast.
What do you mean?
They buy grammar books, download apps, watch videos, and make huge study plans.
That sounds productive.
It does, but after a few days, they feel overwhelmed and give up.
So, what's the better way?
Keep it simple. Instead of studying English for hours, make English part of your daily life.
Daily life? Like how?
Let me ask you this. What was the first thing you did this morning?
I checked my phone.
Perfect. Imagine if you changed your phone language to English.
I checked my phone.
Perfect. Imagine if you changed your phone language to English.
That's actually a good idea.
Small changes create big results over time.
So, you're saying English doesn't need a special time slot?
Exactly. English can fit into things you're already doing.
I like that. It feels much less stressful.
And today, we're going to share 5 simple morning habits that can improve your English every single day.
5 habits? Okay, I'm ready.
Then let's begin with habit number 1.
Paul, do you know what I used to believe?
What?
I thought fluent English speakers studied grammar all day.
Really?
Yes. I imagined they spent hours reading textbooks and memorizing rules.
And now?
Now I realize most fluent speakers simply use English every day. That's the secret many learners miss. So, fluency isn't about studying more?
Not always. It's about using what you already know.
That's interesting.
Let me ask you something. How many English words do you think the average learner already knows?
Maybe a few hundred?
Exactly. And yet many people never use those words in real conversations.
Because they're afraid of making mistakes.
Right. But mistakes are proof that you're trying. I wish more learners understood that. That's why today's episode is important.
Why?
Because we're going to show you how to practice English naturally during your morning routine.
No extra study time?
No extra study time.
No complicated grammar lessons?
None.
Just simple habits?
Simple habits that anyone can start tomorrow morning.
Okay, Paul, you've convinced me.
Great. Let's start with our first morning habit.
The first habit is simple. Listen to English for just 5 minutes after waking up.
Only 5 minutes? Is that enough?
Absolutely. The goal is consistency, not perfection.
What should we listen to?
Podcasts, short stories, or even English conversations like this one.
That sounds easy to do.
Exactly. Small habits are easier to maintain.
And what's the second habit?
Read something short in English while having breakfast.
Like a news headline or a quote?
Yes. Even one paragraph can help improve your vocabulary.
I like that. It doesn't take much time.
That's the secret. Learn English naturally, not forcefully.
Great. I'm excited for the next habit.
Then let's move on to habit number 3.
Okay, Paul, what's habit number 3?
Talking to myself? That sounds a little funny.
Talking to myself? That sounds a little funny.
Maybe, but it's one of the best ways to build confidence.
What should I talk about?
Simple things. For example, I'm making breakfast, or today I have a busy schedule.
So I don't need a conversation partner?
Not at all. You can practice anytime, anywhere.
I like that idea.
Great. Now let's look at habit number 4.
I'm ready.
Habit number 4 is learning one new word every morning.
Just one word?
Yes. One useful word every day becomes 365 new words in a year.
Wow, I never thought about it like that.
Small progress adds up faster than people think.
That's really motivating.
Good, because we still have one more habit to share.
Let me guess. It's the most important one?
You might be right. Let's talk about habit number 5.
Okay, Paul, what's habit number 5?
Habit number 5 is simple. End your morning with one English sentence.
One sentence? That's it?
That's it. Before you leave home, say one positive sentence in English.
Like, today will be a great day.
Perfect. Or, I will speak English with confidence today.
I love that. It feels positive and motivating.
Exactly. A single sentence can change your mindset for the whole day.
So let's review our 5 morning habits.
Number 1, listen to English for 5 minutes.
Number 2, read something short in English.
Number 3, talk to yourself in English.
Number 4, learn one new word.
And number 5, say one positive English sentence before you leave home.
5 simple habits. Nothing difficult.
And if you practice them every day, your English will improve naturally.
I think the biggest lesson today is that you don't need hours of study.
Exactly. Small daily habits create big results.
Well, that's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Tell us in the comments, which morning habit will you try first?
We'd love to hear your answers.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day and keep speaking English. Bye, everyone.